In this video, we are going to have a look at factorising expressions by finding common factors. In our first example, we've got 6x plus 4. So both 6x and 4 are divisible by 2. This is my common factor. So this is what I'm going to write on the outside of my brackets. Now what I need to find is what multiplied by 2 gives me 6x. Well, 2 times 3x is equal to 6x. So I'm going to put that in my bracket. And then I'm going to say 2 times what gives me 4. And that's going to be 2 times 2. So I'm going to put the 2 in my brackets. Now, if I want to check my answer, I can expand and make sure that this does give me the expression that I wanted. So 2 times 3x plus 2 times 2 gives me 6x plus 4. So I'm happy with this. Now in my next example, if I'm looking at the numbers, the 6 and the 2, these have a common factor of 2. But I can also see that there is a y term in both expressions. So this means that my common factor here is 2y. So now I'm going to do the same thing. 2y multiplied by what gives me 6xy? Well, in this case, it's going to be 3x. And then I'm going to say 2y multiplied by what gives me 2y? Well, in this case, it's just multiplying by 1 because I already have the right expression. Again, I could expand and check my answer to make sure I'm happy. In my final expression, again, I'm going to start by looking at the numbers. So the common factor between 5 and 15 is 5. And both of these have an x in them. So for my common factor on the outside, I'm going to have 5x. Now I'm going to say 5x multiplied by what gives me 5x squared. Well, I just need an x to get the x squared. And then on the next one, 5x multiplied by what gives me minus 15x. So in this case, it's going to be minus 3. So watch out for those negatives.